No? Is this thing on? Oh, it's on. Okay. Blessings, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy MC Ron G, the Rock City Hero, and I got a very, very, very short unboxing video for you. Stay tuned.
This is the captain speaking. I will now be leaving the cockpit, and we are officially running on autopilot.
Oh, baby, something came in the mail. 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 We just got a letter. Alright, so check it. I'm about to open this up right now, man. Listen, so I'm assuming this is a very special package. This is Amazon fulfillment. So I'm thinking, since it says fulfillment, it was a special order. Let me see. I'm just gonna open it up. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it got the string. Got a string in it. This must be an important string. Let's deal with this string real quick. Trying not to use brute strength. Why that string ain't nowhere else in it? Oh, there we go. Oh, all y'all seen is the back, huh? Yeah. So I guess y'all know what we working on, right? Look at your boy again, gracing the front cover of another book. This one was written by my pastor, Apostle Joyce Young. It was also assisted by Mildred L. Sessions. This is an ordination book, so anybody out there, any inspiring young ministers, any evangelists, any elders that want to become official elders, you want to cop this right now. Go to Amazon, look up this book, Ordination, a practical guide to preparation. Cop it right now. You'll know which one it is. It's the one with this smooth brother on the front right there. You know what to do, man. It's a short video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I'm gonna actually put the link to grab yourself a copy of this beautiful book. It's well written, I'm assuming. I'm about to start reading it right now. I can't wait to dive in. Just by looking at the cover, I know it's gonna be dope. So yeah, go grab that.